We're gonna show you the best beaches in Cartagena, and today we're starting with Boca Grande.
When in the Boca Grande area, you can expect to see a lot of what I like to call entrepreneurs. There are people selling everything from drinks to hats to sunglasses. Restaurants will approach you, and even apartments. We had our windows rolled down as we were coming in from the airport yesterday, and about every couple of blocks or so, people were yelling apartamentos. And it's so hot and humid.
Yeah. This little octopus was like this big with its legs, and I thought it was a crab because that's what you usually see on the rocks out here. And I was like, wow, that crab has such bendy legs. And then, whoop, its little body popped up, and then a wave took it away. But it was so cool. It was a little tiny octopus. I'm staying until I see another one.
Or until 2, whichever is sooner.
That's accurate.
2 o'clock is actually when the beach is closed for the day.
Up and down this beach all day, and there's a couple things that we noticed that we really like about it. First, the sand is really soft and there's no rocks or seashells, which can be a problem sometimes at the beach.
2, there's tons of shade. Like the entire coast here is just lined with chairs and umbrellas that you can purchase to help prevent people like me from getting sunburned.
And 3, there's no seaweed, which when we were in Mexico was a slight problem and has been a worse problem in the past, but here the water is really clean, which is nice. Alright, it is 2 p.m. so it's time to leave, and our time at Boca Grande Beach is over, but let's head to beach number 2. Alright, we made it to the port to take our boat to Blue Apple Beach Club. Luckily the port was just a quick 10-minute drive from our hotel, and it was 19,000 pesos for the port fee plus an extra 20,000 pesos per person for our round-trip boat fare to the beach club, which is provided by the beach club.
We're on the boat. Alicia has taken her Dramamine, and this is my first time not taking Dramamine when I get out of the boat, so really hoping this goes well so I don't ruin like the entire day.
To Blue Apple Beach Club here on Isla de Tierrabomba, and to get here we had to take a 10-minute Uber from our hotel to the port, and since it's on an island we had to take a boat here. It's about a 25-minute boat ride, and it was pretty smooth, and I get pretty seasick. In order to get here, we made reservations on Blue Apple Beach Club's website for a day pass, and that includes our round-trip boat ride, which is 10,000 per person per way. Your reservation also includes a day bed, and that can be by the beach, like this one. Have a pool day bed like we got, which is 30,000 per person for the whole day. One of the nicest things about this beach club so far is how nice the bathrooms are. It's not always the case at beach clubs, and especially at beaches. First of all, they're so cute and actually clean with toilet paper, soap, and paper towels.
What a fun day. I got completely sunburned. I think Alicia did okay. And we ended up taking the last boat back to the mainland in Cartagena. There's an option for 4 o'clock and 5:30, and we opted for the 5:30. So really in the last hour and a half, we had the place mostly to ourselves for sunset.
Back on land after a beautiful yet unintentional sunset cruise. We were so happy we took the 5:30 boat back to land, but on to the next beach. We upgraded. Rosario Islands here in Cartagena. The Rosario Islands are definitely the top recommendation, and since most of the tours are no longer operating because of the pandemic, we decided to book a day bed here at Bora Bora Beach Club, and it is the perfect place to relax and enjoy the beautiful blue water. In order to get to the Rosario Islands, you have to get here by boat, and we took this one. It was 200,000 pesos per person, including the round-trip boat fare, the day bed, and lunch, and a welcome cocktail. All right, it is time for lunch. We both got the chicken dishes, and we have these little tickets to go get it, and we're going to sit right over there. We got the chicken breast. They have vegetarian or seafood options, and the chicken breast is absolutely delicious. Nice and wood fire grilled. Just finished up lunch, but the only thing we didn't really like was having to be away from our day bed right at the beachfront. We definitely would rather sit there than back here at this cafe. Time at Bora Bora Beach Club is up, and our time in Cartagena is up as well.
If you enjoyed exploring the beaches with us here in Cartagena, please hit the like button as many times as you feel necessary, plus 10. And if you want to stamp your passports with us again,
make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.